Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're going to go over the SPY trade that we're in on a swing trade position. No more than 10% of my total portfolio, which I always preach, and no puts right now, only shares. So let's get right into the facts, people. We're going to pull up my position list. And we entered this trade at 3:30, 2017. We've been riding this one for months now and adding slow and steady. We do hedge against this position, and when we do make money on those hedges, we'll start adding more across the board. I'd love to get this up to maybe 260, 270 and just hold it or set it and forget it and let it play out, guys. So we are a little bit underwater, but again, no more than 10% of your total portfolio in any of these positions, only shares as well, so you can buy time on these, because when we trade charts, look at the monthly on the SPY. When the monthly moves up, this thing will be moving back down to 212 and possibly into the $200 level. If we're in at 250 or so, we get that 25, 30 bucks, we'll be out of this one as well. But let me show you a trade. We did many of them, but one in particular that we did to hedge against this one here. And we've done a couple other ones, calls or puts. Doesn't really matter. Let's go into my other sheet. So this is my WordPress position list. So when I post something on Twitter, it gets posted here as well with your timestamp and all, or with the date stamp and stuff like that, so you can correspond just in case if you missed one of these trades. So let's go into stock, the next one here. This is a trade with puts, and there's a call, and this is just one of them. So November 17, 2058 puts, 91 cents. We sold half of that at 148, and we sold the last half at 184. So this is for an 11.6. We sold at 11.9, so it was a couple day hold, 100% on the second half, which was pretty good. Same day, because the thing kept going, so we just cut it, and that was it. So let me go into my broker confirmations, which most people will not show you. This is Soft Scott trade, same trade we posted, real time. So 250 contracts at 91 cents. Sold half of these. Well, actually, we only sold 100 on this one at 148, figuring, okay, you know what? I want to hold a little bit more just in case this one keeps going. Remember, 91, 148. Last position was 150 here at 184. So do you think this trade hedged my, let's see, let's go back. Let's show all the facts here. This is the trade, 91. Remember, 148. Let's go back. Let's pull it all the way. Here's the 184, 148, 148, 184. Here's all my broker stuff. I don't know what else I could show you guys. So that's it. This was a great hedge against that position. So do you think that put my SPY trade, my 249.52 SPY trade, do you think that allowed me to add a little bit more as this was going up because I made a nice big profit on this 250 contract trade? You bet your butt did. You bet your butt you did. So let's go back to the charts just to show you some more stuff here. See, we were short back here too, guys, for about 6 months, and everyone was ripping me there. And then the 1,000-point down day, we covered them all. We added again, covered them all. We rode it long for a little bit, and then this thing's just out of control, guys. I'm surprised we got through here other than the volume disappearing, and this thing keeps floating up. So what I'm doing with the Qs, with the IWM, with the DIA, with the IYT, and all the indexes, I just keep adding. So, and I've been adding since this position here. I have nothing to hide, guys. 330. That's when I add 249.52. You bet your butt I'm adding up here. And I'm going to keep adding here because when this thing falls, we're going to probably go to 200 area. Well, we'll see. There's a lot of support in around the 209, 210, but we'll have to see how this plays out and what the markets are doing and what news is driving these markets up and down. So again, guys, here's my trade. Here's my post on here. This is all on Twitter as well, 249.52. Here's my second trade that hedged against it. All posted here, guys. 11.6, 91 cents. Then we sold half right here as well. And broker confirmations. So I'm not sure what else to do here. So please just get the facts from StockBookie, not from some other clown talking crap about me. Again, 91, 250. This was a great trade, guys. That brought my other trade into the green, And now I'm just going to add more of that and just get that price average up. And I'm still not in a 10% position in my total portfolio. Again, if I lost 10%, if that thing stops me out at $25, I only lose 1% in my portfolio. 1%. So big deal. If I did 50% this year, I'm only going to be doing 49%. Holy cow. What a bad trader. And again, I'm going across the board on a lot of these high-flying plays, and that's what I do here at StockBookie. And eventually, like I always say, I will be long, just not now at the top here. I mean, look at this thing. This was 2009 low, QE1, QE2, QE3 to infinity, guys. And now it's all ending right here. You can't tell me this thing's not coming in. Again, we could go a little higher. Oh well, I'll keep hedging against it, playing the short positions and long positions. We've done a lot of those too as well. So just check it out. If you want to follow me, great. Subscribe to my YouTube channel down here. Go to my website, sign up. It's free. And just follow the facts, guys. All my stuff's posted on my time, on Twitter, stuff like that. I can't really show you anything else. So, all right, guys. Hopefully you're having a great weekend. Here's some more facts by StockBookie.com. If you want to, like the video, do all that good stuff. Tell your friends. Let's get some more followers going on this. And remember, no more than 10% of your total portfolio in any position in shares. No more than 1 to 3% if you're doing options. If you're writing calls, writing puts, I bump that up a little bit more, maybe to a 5 or sometimes a 10% position, but I normally use 5. If it's a real good setup, I'll bump it up a little bit more. But that's if I'm having a couple winners in a row, then I can put a little more risk out there too as well. So again, thanks for stopping by. Really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.